Good morning.
What's in the morning on this Tuesday? Yeah.
Are you listening? Damn.
We'll be adjusting the main cabin lights for departure. If you need it, there's a reading light above your seat.
She has no elbows.
Don't look at them. I'm shy.
Hey, vlog. Hi. I took a little nap because I was up at 4 a.m.
Some of us were working, some of us were sleeping.
Olivia was a breadwinner and I was the napper. And now we're going to get some goodies for New Year's Eve because it is the eve of New Year's tonight.
Yeah, so
We need
actually,
props.
it's interesting. 2020 is ending, and then tomorrow will be the first day of 2021. So
It's crazy.
it's just like something
It's a
cool
new
to think
thing.
about, and yeah, I think it's very like uniquely human, and I don't know, it's a time to be appreciative.
Purple moment.
Yeah, we're having a pretty big purple moment actually. It's more of a lifestyle, I'd say.
Oh, a car.
Ooh. Sometimes I put it in drive by accident in the garage, and that's scary.
Olivia is gonna kill us.
So I'm actually a pretty good driver.
Diarrhea. We're on a little journey
We are on a
to
little
the
journey.
store. We can't find anything.
You look actually gorgeous. You never looked better in your life. Daddy alert.
Butts Road. Who named that? I would like to talk to them and give them a high five.
Out on my face. So beautiful. Call me in the morning. Not another red light.
Christmas is over.
Christmas is over. Leave it behind.
Get your antlers off.
Get your antlers off, you damn cunt. That's so rude. Stop.
Hi.
Hello.
Lady.
Lady.
Looks crazy. They're so cute. Do you ever call him Eggs Benedict?
No, I call him Mr. Little B. I call
Benedict
him
Arnold.
He vlog. I ain't never been a baller.
Now playing Gonna Get This by Hannah Montana, and I guess
I think the glasses shatter in their hand.
Don't get my foot for free.
It's not in. It's 9:18.
It's midnight. Yay, 2020. See you never.
We're festive. If
Aren't we
Olivia caught on fire,
What would I do? Like, actually, I don't quite
you would
understand.
scream.
Well, what if I didn't notice? And I'm just looking at him like, would you kiss us at midnight? Be honest.
Happy New Year! I love life, and I'm just emotional. Crying glitter.
Oh, you're gonna miss 2020.
My glitter's falling.
We love you, 2020. We're gonna miss you.
I look like death. We're going to the beach. If Olivia is ever ready.
Do not slander me.
Takes her 7 hours. Takes me only 6 hours. Olivia is copying me.
Please don't.
She's naked. Why did you just flash me?
Because I need to go to the bathroom still. This is not content for vlog.
This is the best content. Happy New Year!
2021 does not hit the same as 2020.
Baby and I are matching but it wasn't on purpose
So
on my
basically
part.
what happened was I picked out this outfit last night because I don't like to spend a lot of time getting ready.
Yeah,
I just like
Olivia's
to have
really
everything
fast.
planned ahead, and like I get up,
God.
I put on my clothes, I'm out the door. Casey on the other hand takes a little while. She waits to see what I'm wearing to kind of like follow a cue. She sees me put on these denim shorts and these black t-shirts. I guess in her head she goes, that is a good idea for me to also wear. So here we are, pretty identical, down to the headbands, right?
There's
and I
no glass
reshaped them
in
to
the car.
match you. No. Mom, if you watch this, no glass in the car.
This is plastic, daddy. Hear it. So we're going to the beach. I just met. We're going to the beach. Yeah, we need some sun, clearly, because we need a little something. Our faces are paler than our butt cheeks. Can you hear that?
We get crunchies.
That's sugar. I'll be jumping in the water, and Olivia will be laying.
I'm gonna be a little
Peacefully.
studious, okay? Some of us gotta work for a living over here.
She's gonna study.
I think 2 months now, so yeah. I got a big exam coming up, so I just want to get ahead and stay on my study grind. Oh, so Casey earlier made this wild claim, like, oh, if you get sunburned, you're gonna ruin the whole trip. So I'm saying no, I'm actually gonna get extremely sunburned today to prove to you the trip will be better when I'm sunburned.
There's a dance to this.
There are ants? I don't know if I needed to scream like that.
My eyes were closed. I didn't see it coming. My life flashed before my eyes.
I'm a good driver. I'm a good driver.
Keep telling yourself that. This is my friend. The only one that I have.
Just the one. It's all you need in 2021.
Just keep your friends around you.
Yeah, I love you. Yeah, you know me. I did it all for you, but I went and I'm growing.
Hi, vlog.
Oh my gosh, vlog, I'm sorry I
Forgot.
forgot about you.
We're going to Starbucks.
Yeah, we're here. We
look
are.
like little rats because we just woke up. But then we're gonna put on some fire fits.
And we're gonna pick them quickly today.
Olivia's gonna try to get ready in less than 2 hours this time.
It's hard being a supermodel. I'm gonna tell you, I've got a whole team working on this situation.
Vibes.
We got here.
Where's your feet?
Oh, wait, I can't take it off the brake.
Don't do that. We'll see you later.
I stuck out my thumb too. We're at a bridge right
We had a
now.
crisis, and by we I mean me.
Case a little.
I hated every outfit that I
She
tried
did, she
on,
did.
but I'm okay.
She persevered. We've got some bangers queued up. We have a little road trip ahead of us.
We're going to an area that's pretty.
And that's all you need to know.
That's all I know.
Nosy.
Look at my broken arm.
Oh, I was like, are you touching my head?
Okay, bye.
Bye.
See you there.
Running through the hills like I forgot something. Running through the hills and I won't stop running. Running through the hills like the cops coming. That won't change me. I'll stay the same, remain the same me. Stuck in a trip, I just want something that's real. I don't want something to miss. I need a heart for the feel. A new start through the pills. An open spot for the feels. An open heart for the scars. An open eyes for the stars. I'm all here. No pressure to change for me, baby. No, you got a lot to hear to see clearly. I just wanna get your body to the ground, cause lately it seems like your head is in the clouds.
We're slumming it in this beautiful place.
I'm a tour guide.
I said,
Wait, somebody messed up the 2021. What happened? It was stomped upon. Happy New Year.
yeah, I love you. Yeah, you know me. I did it all for you, but I went and I'm growing. You put the city on my back, cold winter snowed in. I gotta leave it now, need that water rolling. Running through the hills like I forgot something. Running through the hills and I won't stop running.
It's amazing here. Can we live here? I want to live inside there. Fit check.
So you can see the whole thing, everyone.
Hey vlog! We're
looking directly in the sun to say hi to you guys. So
we're walking around. We're getting some photographs and we're getting some vibes.
Yeah.
We sat on an aquarium and we're gonna head home now. And
we're gonna play some basketball now.
I'm stupid. Listen, when I talk, you better listen. Drop it down and wobble, wobble up. Mommy booty up.
oh, Jesus. Hey vlog. We are going on a boat today. A little boat ride. Waiting for the queen to be ready. Olivia's seasick and throwing up everywhere. Projectile vomiting. It's me, baby Alice. Pop the bows out. My shoe has cheese on it. Ew. Make a wish. Make a wish. Oh, fun. We're being held captive.
Head is crowded inside, I can't find the light. And I said,
Hey. Hey. Hey vlog. It's me again in the mirror. It's now 7 something. And we're going to dinner. And Olivia's screaming. This is the fit, courtesy of Olivia.
We're leaving.
Hey. I forgot to film our food, but it was good.
Okay.
The guy that brought us our food told me that I looked 16. And he was not wrong. He wasn't wrong. That was a little bit sad. Yeah. But it's okay. I appreciate the honesty. Casey's tomorrow. Really sad. Hey guys, we're going on an adventure. We have to get a really cool item. You're never gonna believe what it is.
You already know what's going on, guys.
This girly thing.
I was like, my eyes started.
Talking all loud in them fake ass clothes. Fake ass shoes, but they fake ass
Do the roar. You know, I'd rather not. Do the roar.
Have you ever just had Casey? Leave a comment below if you've ever had Casey. Working on the weekend like usual. Doesn't he say that in sitcom? Like, please don't listen to the vlog.
Right when I was gonna catch a vibe.
That's how life goes, sweetie. Just when you think you're about to catch a vibe.
Is it my cash?
Babies get left alone.
My cash.
Oh no. So you're poor now?
Peeking out.
Bye. Bye, Benny. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Please don't neglect the brain.